Hi, I'm Julie with Limitless Van, and I'm here today with Compass. Compass is one of the latest custom conversions to leave our shop, and it's built on a 148 all-wheel drive high-roof Ford Transit. One of the cool exterior features of this build is the Limitless Van low-profile Transit Safari Rack. It also features Baja Designs scene lights on the side, which are great for loading and unloading in the dark, as well as lighting up your camp space. Two of the features we really like to add to all of our kitchen galleys is this exterior drop-down workspace or cook space, and then an exterior outlet for charging your devices or for plugging anything in that you might need. One of my absolutely favorite features of this conversion is the kitchen galley, and that's because this is a really functional kitchen galley for people who like to cook in their vans or who are on longer trips. So it features a 20 by 21 Bravati sink, which is an extra large sink for a van conversion. So you can easily wash large dishes, including frying pans in here, and it's just really convenient. We also have a custom cutting board, so you don't lose that precious counter space. It has a single induction cooktop, and then a large isotherm inox 130 refrigerator, which is great for when you're going to be on the road for longer periods of time, as it has more storage space. And then it also features a flip-up counter space, so you have lots of space to cut, cook your food, and do whatever you need to do. So over here we have our main workspace and hangout space for the van. It features built-in cup holders into the windowsill, an easily movable lagoon table, and then an upholstered bench with storage underneath. You can access it from up above or from down here. And inside we have storage cubbies, which are great because they collapse down to 2 inches. They can also be taken out for extra seating and act as a step stool for getting in and out of bed. Up above, we've got our storage cabinets that have automatic lights that turn on when you open them. And then inside, you'll see we have our Cradlepoint router, and that's connected to a Doberman Parsec antenna, which when working together create high-speed internet when you're on the road. Some people don't want their internet on all the time, so we have an easy on-off switch right here for turning your internet on or off. All right, so over here we have additional storage space, and then our 3-panel platform bed, which is currently mounted at 34 inches height, which is our typical height for most beds, as it creates plenty of clearance for most mountain bikes. This particular bed can also be mounted to 37 inches, so you have some modular space underneath. Built into our wall panels over here is a USB charging station with a little shelf for your devices. And then of course in all our builds we always include reading lights, so you can easily turn lights on and off from your bed. Over here we have our control panel for the van, and like in all of our conversions we have the dimmer switches for the front and the rear, a RedArc Red Vision management system which controls all the systems in your van in one place. It's also Bluetooth compatible, so you can control everything from an app on your phone. And then right here we have our heating system, which for this van is an L-Well Autoterm heater. And then this van also features the JBL audio system. Back here in our garage space, we have integrated L-Track and 2 wheel well cabinets. This wheel well cabinet houses our electrical system. So it has 300 amp hours of lithium-ion battle-borne batteries, 90 amps of DC to DC charging, a 3,000 watt inverter, and then up above we also have Zamp Obsidian solar panels. On this side we have our water wheel well cabinet. It features backlit sight glass, so you can easily see your water level as you're filling up, has an exterior shower, and then it also has the Guzzle H2O Stealth water filtration system. This system uses both UV light and charcoal filtration, so you can fill up with water anywhere and you're gonna get really good clean water for your vehicle. All right, so that is our Compass build. For more van content, check out our Instagram page @LimitlessVan or our website, www.limitlessvan.com.